20 years ago when I moved to Miami, I started building the sculptures I made out of screws. It's called Everybody Gets Screwed. I created 27 sculptures that portray different kinds of people, mostly stereotypes of people, normal people. I didn't use any models for it. But it all had the same body inside, and depending on the size of the screw and the amount of screwing on it, you make the size of this objects, because the body inside is the same object. These are keys. I make a lot of objects with no intention, with no purpose, just to see them. And somebody gave me keys, so I make this board. It's the key of knowledge, where all the knowledge came from is from the universe and the geometry and universe. I'm talking about geometry. I used to make abstract work that I don't do no more. I have these images that are architectural structures that are highly sophisticated, and I see them.
Do you do any drawings, Federico, for these kinds of things? I mean, it's so perfectly geometric.
No. I don't do drawings at all for anything. I do drawings now for the quarantine. I've been drawing with pencils, but no, I don't do sketches. No, I never done sketches in my life.